his line? Is this mine? Yeah, watch the hook, it's slipping on it.
Woo! She's gone.
There, because we got the same setup. He tangled us.
It's easy. It's right there.
Good.
Man, that was a tail. You nailed that.
Oh, the mackerel?
Yeah. Oh my God! I thought it was...
I caught a 3.5 pound spotty over there where the other guy's at. Off a mackerel head.
I know.
Fishing batteries.
Oh, sand bass here like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Freaking huge.
I got almost a 9 pounder. It was like
Yeah.
8.9. Yeah, sand bass. Off
Yeah.
the squid.
I gave it to Cindy. A freaking big one. I thought it was because it knocked down my rod spike and my rod.
Oh, yeah.
I thought I was hooked up to a leopard shark. The way it fought, and then I go like, man, a sand bass, big one.
When I hooked up, fought like the first 15 seconds, and then it just, I was like, ah, man, I lost it. And right when I got it to the rocks, I was like, oh.
I thought for sure I was hooked up to a leopard shark. I said, oh, maybe these, maybe a little smaller leopard shark.
Yeah. See my boot. That's what's started. Oh, wow. Yeah. About 2 of my boots.
Might want to check your bait, man. Maybe it took it. I'm telling you, man, see what you catch here, man. I'm a big freaking sand bass here, man.